Hello everyone, you guys are welcome back. In today's class, I'm going to show us how to make this fleet dress with as a cape on the neckline, then the puff sleeve. So this is a light crepe material. It's in terms of what is it called? Material is like a cotton, but it's crepe kind of. So I'm making use of 3.5 yards. So this is the sleeve. I'm cutting the sleeve out first so that the fabric won't waste. The wideness of this knife is 11 inches, so I'm just cutting the basic sleeve or normal sleeve. You measure 5 inches here, then you curve. So I'm going to get my desired length for the sleeve. I'm going to make it 27, so I'll aim like 1 inch. I'm going to aim like 1 inch there. Then it's going to have elastic. It's going to have elastic at the wrist side, so just measure 3 inches here. Then you notch. That is where I'm going to insert the elastic. So let me just iron it so that it will look straight. So if I want to sew the elastic on it, it will be easy for me to just trace. So this is it. It's going to have elastic on it. I'm going to show us how I'll do that later when we get there. So now this is the remaining fabric. We're just going to fold in flay form. We're going to fold a 180-degree flay. So this is it. We're going to fold 180-degree like this. If I cut the flay before the sleeve, I might not really be able to get the sleeve out. So that was why I cut out the sleeve first. Then we're going to cut the remaining one like this. So now I'm just going to place my tape where I'll be able to get my shoulder measurement. So the shoulder measurement is 16. Shoulder measurement is 16. So at least from this place, it's enough for me to get my shoulder measurement. So I'm going to mark them from there. You can see the way I place my tape. You're going to follow it that way, follow the shape that way, then 7 inches for the armhole. 7 inches for the armhole. So now I'm going to get my desired length from here. 38 inches. The length is 38 inches. So I'm going to make it 39 because of the aiming allowance. You're also going to place your tape at the middle. Another 39 there. Another 39, then this other side also. This other side also, you can as well get 39 here or maybe lesser. That is going to be by the side, so you can just curve. You can decide to just shape it a bit. You can get about 36 here or probably 37. You can still also get the same 38. So if you like, you can go straight here. If you like, you can just shape it a bit. If you like, you can go straight. If you like, you can go shape a bit like this. It's a flared dress, so it doesn't really matter. since it's not fitted. So this is what it looks like. So by the time you adjust it, by the time this one falls a bit, it will become straight like this. So now we are going to cut our neckline. We're going to cut our necklines having a V shape neckline, both front and back. Both the front and the back is having a V-shaped neck. So meanwhile, if this armhole circumference is not enough, you can still deepen it a bit. So now I'm doing 4 inches here for the neckline. I'm doing 4 inches here. Then I'm doing 8 inches. I'm doing 8 inches, the depth 8 inches, then the width is going to be 4 inches. You can decide to use whatever you like. You can use 9, you can use 10, depending on how deep you want it. So just like I said, you can still deepen your armhole like this. You use your tape to try to confirm your armhole circumference measurement. Just notch, we are going to sew from this point. This is where I'm going to sew from. So from here, I'm trying to confirm my armhole circumference measurement. If it's not enough, then you deepen a bit. Still deepen it a little bit. The armhole circumference measurement is 20 inches. So I should be able to get 10 inches here. So this is it. So this is the body. Look at the neckline. So this is the neckline, both the front and the back. Both the front and the back. So what I will do now, I'm going to join the shoulder in order to cut the cape. I'm going to join the shoulder so that we'll be able to cut the cape. So this is it. I've already joined the shoulder, then I've ironed it. Joined the shoulder, then I've ironed it. So now look at this piece here. I'm going to use these pieces to cut out the cape. So the easiest way is to just place the neckline like this, and the pieces, make sure it's at the middle, at the center of the pieces. So I'm going to trace out this place. You trace out with chalk, then you are going to cut it out like this. So that it will be easy to cut. So this is it. So now you can take off the body, then you are going to mark out how wide you want your cape and the shape. So I'm going to make it 5 inches. I'm going to make it about 5 inches. Yours can be wider or probably smaller. You can see the way I'm placing my tape. Just follow the shape like this. You follow the shape like this. Just take note of the way I marked it and the way I'm cutting it out. So just turn this one the other way around. Then you cut it out. Just drag it so that this the shape at this upper part will want to go off. So you're going to trim this side so that you have equal shape there. So this is it. I've already cut out. Then you are going to cut another 2, making 4. You're going to cut 4 pieces like this. So this is how you are going to turn it. After, when you go with paper stay or probably ST, you're going to go both of them with paper stay or ST so that it will be a bit thicker. So that's that about the cape line. Then you're still going to cut a very small piece like this, just about 2 inches wide. Then as long as you want it, I'm going to join this one so that it will be longer, because I'm going to do a gathers with it. So you're going to do a very tiny hem in there. Then you're going to draw gathers. You're going to do tiny hem in there, then you draw gathers. So I'm going to take to machine now, then we'll start coupling. So this is it. I've already gummed this with paper stay. So this is the one I talked about. Just join. So when you join them together, you do your tiny hemming like this. If you have this weaving thread and you have a matching color, you can decide to just weave instead of piping. Hemming, sorry, whichever one that is easy for you. So you draw your gathers. You are going to draw your gathers, then you sew. So instead of drawing the gathers, I just want to do all this small pleating to save my time. This is how you're going to do it all through. That's how you're going to. So this is it. This is it. So now you're going to use the other one to just turn it. This is going to serve as a lining. I'm using the same fabric to turn it. So now you are going to sew it round like. You're going to sew it round like this. I'm tracing that first line I sewed. So that's how you're going to do it. So now this is it. You're going to turn, then you iron it very well. This is it, and this is what you're going to do on the second one. Do the same thing on the second one, then you iron them. You're going to iron it very well. You're ironing it very well. So after ironing, so now this is how you're going to place it. But from inside, you're going to sew from inside. Just sew it about half of an inch probably. So when you sew it like that, you're going to do the other side like that too. You're going to do this other side like that, then you do the other side like that too. So this is it. So you take to your table, then you iron very well. See the way this place is. So you're going to do the same thing at the back. So now you're just going to join the side with just 1 inch from the place I notched the other time. That is how you are going to join it all through, and you are going to do the other side like that. So this is it now. I just weave. I weaved it. Then you're just going to do your small hemming like this all through. So now this is the sleeve. Just like I said the other time, you're going to do your tiny hemming like this. So it's your tiny hemming. Then after that, this place I notched, you are putting your elastic there. So as you are sewing, gradually you are drawing the elastic. You're going to draw it very well. So naturally the elastic will just gather it. It will just gather it like this. So that is the same way you're going to do the other one. You draw the elastic very well so that it will gather it. So now you just take your round sleeve measurement. You are going to take your round sleeve measurement. So when you take your round sleeve measurement, you are going to sew all through. So this is it. This is it. So now you're just going to attach the sleeve. If you look at it, you see that the dress is very easy to make. Just going to attach the sleeve. So after that, then you do the other one, then our beautiful dress is ready. It's as simple as this. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.